Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and I'm so pleased today to have you join me for the unboxing video of this new Orient sports diver. Now this watch was loaned to me from our boutique. Eric, thank you very much for your kindness and generosity in loaning me these watches for review. So I've got the outer sleeve out of the way, and this is the inner retail box. I think it's a new design, it looks pretty sturdy, and there's a magnetic closure if I'm not wrong. So here's the new diver that I was talking to you about. This series here, the new sports diver collection, they'll launch sometime in August. That's August this year, and I can tell you they're very new models. I think many watch boutiques are not selling this yet, and our boutique has these models. I think they're going around just under $300. Let's take a look at this one we have here. This is the one in red dial. They've got plenty of other dial colors. I think there's a green, and there's a Pepsi one, and some orange and blue combination design. So this one I have here, it's the red sunburst dial, and the reference number for this watch is RA-AA0915R, and it lists at Singapore dollars 369. I think street price is just slightly under $300. So let's just take out the watch pillow and take a look. Got a really good looking sunburst dial here, and I would say it's pretty similar to the Kamasu that I reviewed a few weeks back. A good combination of brushed and polished finish. I'm liking the very simple look of the bezel. I think it is still aluminum insert, it's not ceramic or sapphire, but overall the design is clean and simple. On paper the watch lists at 44mm case size, but over here it doesn't seem overly big. I think usually Orient watches, they tend to wear smaller than official spec sheets suggest. So I've just zoomed in a little bit so you can see some of the details we have here. The bezel finish, the bezel insert finish is actually very nice. There's a bit of a sheen going on, and let's check the bezel action. Oh, I would say this is a big improvement over the Kamasu. I'll do a side-by-side comparison when I'm doing the in-depth review. As it is, the bezel action feels like an improvement. Now let's check the crown action. Okay, the dreaded wobble. Oh, they've also improved the bezel wobble. There's a slight wobble in this case, but it is not as bad as the Kamasu or the Triton that I've seen before when I handled one in the store. So this one here, again, very clean design from Orient. Simple, clean design. Bracelet seems to have very little or no taper at all, so we're going to look into that in detail in the full review. As usual, this is not a solid end-link bracelet, and okay, there's a slight misalignment on the bezel and I think well, this is pretty common for watches in this price category. Let's do a quick check on the handset, or rather the handset alignment. 6 o'clock is good. Let's just check very quickly the 9 o'clock alignment. Alright, so handset is actually very good. Bezel alignment is not the best. As you can see here, it's slightly off to the left. And I also believe that this one here has no sapphire crystal. No confirmation on that. I'm going to read up on the specs, and hopefully I can find more information on this model. It is still very new. I think internet buzz has it that this is the new Kano or the Kano. I'm not too sure. Orient has officially called this the new sports diver collection, as if all these watches can be called anything else. So stay tuned. There will be a full review of this watch coming up in the next few weeks, and probably there will be a comparison video between this and the red Kamasu. So stay tuned. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.